Does the afternoon sun turn your patio into a furnace? Would you use your patio more if it had shade? How much more livable would your backyard space be if you had a pavilion? Today I'm going to show you some great outdoor pavilion ideas that'll provide you some shade and transform your outdoor space. Hey there, I'm Steve with Timber West Design. I take pride in designing custom pavilions that perfectly match your needs and style. So today I'm going to show you some different pavilion designs and some different features that you can do to your pavilion. So let's dive right in. Here's one of our standard pavilions. The first design feature I want to talk about is the knee brace. A knee brace provides stability to the structure. Here are some of the standard knee brace styles we offer. An upgraded option from our standard knee brace would be an arched knee brace like this. This is a very popular option and gives the pavilion a sleek look. A standard pavilion roof looks like this. Another option is to do a hip roof with 4 sloping sides. Another variation on the post design is to add multiple posts per corner. This is an interesting change-up from the standard post look. A hammer beam truss adds a very unique look to your pavilion. This option is more complex to build, but is a beautiful design. If you have a really long pavilion and want to add some flair to the design, you could consider adding a third gable. This design is also more complex to build, but it gives you 3 sides that show the open beams. The sky's the limit when it comes to designing your pavilion, and this is where I can help you. Schedule a consultation with me on my website at timberwestdesign.com, and we can work together to develop the perfect design for your outdoor living space. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can see more content that'll inspire you for your backyard. Until next time, thanks for watching.